In those days, childhood meant street games, paper flyers, and adults speaking in slower, warmer tones that felt almost ceremonial. This episode traces Grandma's photo albums to AI-enabled memories, turning faded smiles into searchable living stories without losing heart. Weddings shift from chunky VHS tapes and formal toasts to live streams and fleeting emojis, reshaping ritual and expectations. Neighborhood blocks gave way to online communities, where gossip travels faster yet privacy feels thinner and choice feels wider. The aim is reflection on how these changes thread through family histories, shaping identities across generations.